Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Descent MK1 Sapphire, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goal or goal for the steps on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. And once the devices are paired, we can continue and open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the Garmin Connect app, you should see a list of activities and widgets, and one of them should be steps. And you can tap on it to open the steps. If you don't see this widget, you can tap on more and then tap on activities and then steps. And you should arrive at this page. Once you open this page, tap on edit goal. And here we can edit the goal for our steps by typing in the value. So for example, I want 8,000. Then tap on save to save the goal. You can also enable the auto goal if you want to, and the app will decide the goal for you. But once the steps update, the goal updates rather, go back to the main page of the app, sync the devices together. And once the devices sync together, the settings should be applied. Okay, so they synced, and if we open the step widget or glance on our watch, you will see that the goal updated to 8,000. Okay, and that's how you change or set the goal for the steps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.